convinced me that it was worth it. Still. Sometimes, the hardest part isn't waking up in the middle of the night. It's never allowing yourself to truly fall asleep. Before closing my eyes, I check the clock. 2 more hours. Maybe. If I fall asleep right now, I'll wake up just in time. But deep inside, I'm afraid. Afraid I'll sleep through the alarm. Afraid I'll miss my pumping schedule. Afraid one mistake will ruin everything I've worked so hard to protect. So instead of resting, I sleep lightly. Every little sound wakes me. Every few minutes. I wonder if it's already time. It's a strange feeling. You're exhausted enough to fall asleep anywhere, yet your mind refuses to rest. Because even while sleeping, you're still thinking about your little one. People often say, sleep whenever the baby sleeps. I wish it were that simple, because sometimes the baby is sleeping peacefully, but I'm watching the clock, waiting for the next reminder, living from one pumping session to the next. There were nights when I couldn't remember the last time I had a full night's sleep. Not because someone asked me to do this, but because love quietly convinced me that it was worth it. Still, I've learned something important. Being dedicated doesn't mean you have to punish yourself. Missing a schedule once in a while doesn't erase all the care you've given. One longer nap doesn't define your journey. Your little one doesn't need a mother who's running on empty. They need a mother who is cared for too. So tonight, if you're feeling guilty for wanting just a little more sleep, please be gentle with yourself. Close your eyes. Take the rest your body has been asking for. Because tomorrow, you'll continue showing up with the same love you always have. And remember, the quiet sacrifices no one sees often become the greatest expressions of a mother's love. But even the strongest hearts deserve to rest.